Are you looking for a powerful gaming PC that doesn't take up much space? In 2026, gaming mini PCs are more powerful than ever, capable of handling AAA games, esports titles, content creation, and daily work in a compact size. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026, all from Beelink, covering performance, value, and real-world use. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Beelink EQi12 Mini PC, Intel Core i5-1235U. The Beelink EQi12 comes with an Intel 12th Gen Core i5-1235U, featuring 10 cores and 12 threads, boosting up to 4.4 GHz. It includes 32 GB DDR5 RAM, a 500 GB SSD, dual 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and Windows 11 Pro. This mini PC is ideal for casual gaming, esports titles, and multitasking. Games like CS2, Valorant, Fortnite, GTA 5, and League of Legends run smoothly on low to medium settings. It also performs great for office work, streaming, coding, and light content creation. Pros: strong 12th Gen Intel CPU, 32 GB RAM for smooth multitasking, dual LAN ports, very compact and quiet design. Cons: not suitable for high-end AAA gaming, integrated graphics only. A balanced mini PC for casual gamers and professionals who want performance in a small form factor. Number 2. Beelink EQi12 Mini PC, Intel Core i3-1220P. This version features an Intel Core i3-1220P with 10 cores and 12 threads, up to 4.4 GHz, paired with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 500 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Despite being an i3, this chip is surprisingly powerful. It handles esports games, indie games, emulators, and everyday tasks very well. Perfect for budget gamers who want decent performance without spending too much. Pros: PCIe 4.0 SSD for fast loading, power-efficient CPU, dual 4K display support, great value for money. Cons: 16 GB RAM may feel limited for heavy users, not ideal for modern AAA games. An excellent budget mini PC for entry-level gaming and productivity. Number 3. Beelink Sur 9 Max Ryzen 7 H255, best gaming performance. This is the most powerful mini PC on the list. It packs an AMD Ryzen 7 H255 with 8 cores and 16 threads, up to 4.9 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and Radeon 780M graphics. The Radeon 780M graphics is a beast. You can play AAA games like Cyberpunk 2027, Forza Horizon 5, Elden Ring, and Hogwarts Legacy on medium to high settings. It's also fantastic for video editing, 3D work, and streaming. Pros: best integrated GPU performance, DDR5 RAM and PCIe 4.0 SSD, USB 4 support and triple display, 10 gigabits per second LAN for ultra-fast networking. Cons: slightly more power consumption. The best gaming mini PC of 2026 if you want maximum performance without a dedicated GPU. Number 4. Beelink Sur 5 Mini PC, Ryzen 5 5500U. Powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5500U with 6 cores and 12 threads, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, and 500 GB SSD. It supports 4K output, Wi-Fi 6, and Windows 11 Pro. This mini PC is great for light gaming and daily use. Games like GTA 5, FIFA, Dota 2, Rocket League and older AAA games run smoothly on low to medium settings. Pros: very affordable, 32 gigabytes RAM included, good thermals and quiet fan. Cons: older CPU architecture, weaker GPU compared to newer models. A solid budget choice for casual gamers and home or office use. Number 5. Beelink Mini S13 Intel N150 for business and light gaming. This mini PC features the Intel N150 processor, 12 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and a 500 GB SSD, along with Wi-Fi 6, BT 5.2, and dual HDMI display. This system is designed more for business and daily tasks, but can handle very light gaming, retro games, and emulation. Ideal for users who want low power consumption and silent operation. Pros: extremely energy efficient, LPDDR5 RAM, compact and silent. Cons: not suitable for modern gaming, limited upgrade options. Best for office work, media consumption, and light gaming only. So, that wraps up our top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. If this video helped you choose the right mini PC, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. Check the description box for the best deals and updated prices. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.